girls, welcome back to another vlog. Today it is time for my weekly Sunday reset. The to-do list for my reset today is cleaning my room and doing laundry, finishing up my nails, and also doing my homework for the week. Sunday resets are important to me because they give me time to clear my head and also prepare myself for the next week so I can feel happy and refreshed. Today I started a little bit late, so without further ado, let's get into the reset. So I personally like to start with my room just because I know those are usually my biggest tasks. So let's turn this mess into this. So sorry for the loudness, I'm in my dorm's laundry room. So personally, I like to start off my cleaning with doing my laundry. So I have a bunch of dirty clothes that I need to get out of the way in my room. So I'm going to start off with that. But fortunately for me, all on-campus dorms have access to dryers and washers. Temple Tower specifically has 2 dryers and 2 washers for us to use. It may not seem like a lot, but trust, it gets the process done, especially when everybody's doing their laundry at different times of the week. It'll take 30 minutes for my clothes to wash. Speed Queen will let me know when there's like a minute or 2 minutes left. Then I'll be moving my clothes to the dryers, which will then take me an hour. So we'll be back when it's time to fold my clothes. So finally, we finished the room. It looks so much more clean and open, and just looking at it makes me smile. So now it is time to do my nails. I decided that I wanted to start learning how to do my nails just because I'm a college student, obviously, and nails start to like rack up, especially if you want to look fit and fly all the time like I do. I mean, not in this video, but usually when I step outside, I like a full set of nails to be done, and this is not a full set. It's just money that I do not want to spend, and it's like unnecessary money to spend. So if I can learn how to do it myself, I might as well. It should move pretty quickly. I did end up putting my clothes in the dryer, so sometime during this video, I'll have to pause and go pick up my clothes so I can go fold them. But hopefully I can get all my nails done like ASAP. And I'm gonna go back to watching my Real Housewives of Salt Lake City. I'm on season 1, if you're wondering. I finally finished my nails, and it's a bit later than I would have liked. So now I'm going to clean this all up because obviously I cannot leave it like this. This is our common space, so it would just be really rude, I think, for me to just leave everything here. So I'm gonna just clean it up really quickly so my roommates don't have to come out and see this madness. Okay, I finally finished cleaning my area, and my final thing for tonight before I head off to sleep so I can wake up for my 10 a.m. class tomorrow is folding up my laundry that I took out of the dryer earlier. I kind of just left it in to finish doing my nails, and now my nails are done. This area is clean, and I can then now move on to folding my clothes. So that is the last thing for tonight. So finally, it is 12:30 and I have finished all of my cleaning for today. I'm super glad I was able to take you guys with me throughout this day. I want to be clear that this is not what it is like for me every single week. Most of the times it's messier. This week was a cleaner week. Sometimes I don't do anything about it. But I think it's really important that you try your best to keep your space clean as much as possible, just because I feel like my mood at least always is like 10 times higher when I have something clean to come back to. I know my roommate appreciates it too. Having a clean space is not only good for your health physically, but also your mental health. So make that time. It's just as important as anything else in your life. You'll never know how much a clean room, a clean area can really change how your week goes. So now it is gladly time for me to rot in my bed until my eyes close. But until the next video, bye owls.